Good morning all. Myself Arul Soumya, working as an assistant professor in Department of Information Technology. Here we are going to discuss a topic on text analysis in understanding the data. So here is an overview. Here we are going to see a previous section recap and then content delivery, real-time example and brainstorming questions and then DT-based delivery and finally the assessment. So here recap. So recap in the sense we have seen our before previous topic is data representation. So data representations usually it improves the model accuracy and enables the machine learning process, and it is a faster processing and it is an easy visualization. So text analysis fundamentals. Here is a text analysis fundamentals, which is here we are gathering the data, pre-processing the data, indexing the data, mining the data, and data visualization. So the core objectives of this text analysis are structuring, pattern discovery, and sentiment analysis. So this is the text analysis pipeline. Here the first is pre-processing and then add linguistics features and then convert to a matrix and then finally the analysis part is concluded. So giving this we have given the text and then we read the text and then we process the pre-processing actions and then a part of it is determined that we can convert it to a matrix. So next one is key pre-processing techniques. So in the key pre-processing techniques, we ensure the machine mind and understands the text. We must first remove the noise. And then these are all the types which we use to pre-processing the technique, like which is tokenization, stop word removal, stemming, and lemmatization. Next one is feature extraction. So the vector space. Here we can quantifying the text. By machines only process the numbers, so we can convert text into mathematical features. So in this, a bag of words, TF, IDF, and word embeddings and one hot encodings are there. So the first one is design thinking phase. In design thinking, we can see empathy phase. So here it is a human-centered text solution. Here we see user observation, pain points, and empathy mapping has mapped here. So the real goal is to design a tool that highlights only the must read insights. Next one is applications of text analysis, that is a real world impact, sentiment analysis, recommended engines, which is content like Netflix and YouTube, spam detection and chatbots. So in design thinking phase, we are going to see next one is define phase. So here we defining the problem. Like the problem statement is computers cannot inherently read text, they only understand the binary math. And then user constraints and then finally goal. The goal is to create a machine mind that interprets human language as numerical vectors. The next one is challenges in text analysis. Here we are having ambiguity, slang and sarcasm, contextual variations, and data volume. So in that next phase is ideate phase. Here we're going to see the goal, selection, and UI UX strategy. In goal, we brainstorm the best AI model to solve the user specific text problem, and we select the clustering documents, and then last we design a visual word cloud or a trend graph for the end users. So this is the puzzle which denotes decoder, that is a task has given and a dictionary has given and logic has given. The next one is a answer for this before word. So here one hot encoding like 1 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0. Here we can see the table format which contains island, whisk of dream and torgasm. Next, this is a puzzle which is a sentiment decoder challenge. So sentiment decoder challenge in the sense, here it shows the puzzles with answers. So the next one is for text puzzle is sentiment decoder. We are going to see a logical answer, a concept which crashes and nothing maps to the lowest numeric. So coming to the conclusion, the final takeaways are from noise to knowledge. The text analysis is the engine that converts the unstructured data of a human communication into actionable machine insights. And the design thinking impact by using the empathy driven approach, we ensure that the data solve human problems. And then future horizons, it has an NLP and large language models. Then final goal is to mastering these techniques allow to build a more intelligent. Thank you.